How do I add my bank account to Apple Pay?
Welcome to this handy tutorial. Today, we will guide you through the simple process of adding your bank account to Apple Pay. This allows you to make secure payments from your iPhone or Apple Watch quickly and easily.
What do you need before you start?
Before you start, make sure you have the following: an eligible device, iPhone 6 or later, iPad Pro, iPad Air 2, or iPad Mini 3 or later, Apple Watch. A supported card from a participating bank. The latest version of iOS, watchOS, or macOS. An Apple ID signed into iCloud.
How to add a card on your iPhone?
Step 1. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the plus symbol or Add Credit or Debit Card option. Step 3. Follow the steps to add a new card. If you're asked to add the card that you use with your Apple ID, just enter its security code. Step 4. Tap Next. Your bank or card issuer will verify your information and decide if you can add your card to Apple Pay. Step 5. After your bank or issuer verifies your card, tap Next. Then, start using Apple Pay.
How to add a card on your Apple Watch?
Step 1. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap the My Watch tab, then tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Step 3. Tap Add Credit or Debit Card. Step 4. Follow the steps to add a new card. Step 5. Tap Next. Your bank or card issuer will verify your information. Step 6. After your bank or issuer verifies your card, tap Next. Then, you can start using Apple Pay. And there you have it. You've now successfully added your bank account to Apple Pay. The process is straightforward and will make your life a lot easier. Now you're all set to make secure and quick payments directly from your iPhone or Apple Watch. If you have any issues, remember to contact your bank or Apple support. Happy shopping!